Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Audi Q7 in jack mode. First, ensure your vehicle is on a flat level surface and the parking brake is engaged. Locate the MMI system and navigate to the car menu. From there, select Settings and then Suspension. This initial step is crucial for preparing your Q7 for safe lifting. Once you are in the suspension menu, you will see the option for jack mode. Select this option to activate it. The system will then confirm that jack mode is engaged, often with a message on your MMI screen. This action tells the air suspension to stop self-leveling, preventing any unexpected adjustments while the car is lifted. It's a simple but vital step. With jack mode active, you can now safely lift your Audi Q7. Always use the designated jack points, which are typically reinforced areas on the vehicle's frame. Consult your owner's manual for their exact locations. Once lifted, immediately place sturdy jack stands under the vehicle for support. Remember, safety is paramount. Never rely solely on a jack when working underneath your car. After completing your work, carefully lower your Audi Q7 back to the ground. Once all four wheels are firmly on a level surface, you can exit jack mode. Simply turn the ignition off and then restart the vehicle. The system will automatically disengage jack mode and resume normal air suspension operation. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This ensures your suspension is ready for the road.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.